What's up, guys? Today we have another amazing AI tool to check out. This tool is called EssayGPT by HIX.AI. Its primary purpose is to help you write better essays without plagiarizing with citations. And from what I've seen so far, it's great at that. It also has a lot of other unique writing tools built in, some that I've never seen before. In this video, we're going to explore those features together so you can decide if EssayGPT is right for you. This might be an essential tool for students. It also might be useful for researchers or just writers in general. I reached out to the developers of this tool and they offered my audience a 20% off discount code. You can see it on the screen or you can use the link in the description. All right, now please join me inside my computer. All right, you guys, we are inside EssayGPT. As you can see here, we've got three main features. We have the generator, the writer, and the scholar chat, but they also have some other popular tools built in, like the essay rewriter, essay extender, and if you click view all, you can see even more that you might find extremely useful. You can even favorite the ones that you like to use. What we're going to do is break down the main tools in this video so you can see if EssayGPT might help you out with your own writing. First off, we have the generator here. So we're going to start there. We're going to generate a plagiarism-free essay, and it takes us through that process with four simple steps. The first step here is we're going to give EssayGPT a topic. So we'll go benefits of AI for students. Select persuasive. We'll do 500 words. So right here we have an option to toggle on AI detection bypassing. So if you want to do that, if you're turning this paper in, you can turn that on and it will rewrite the essay after it generates it to make sure it bypasses all of these platforms. So we'll turn that on. We're going to generate a title. And as you can see, it gave us a lot of options here. We can even generate more if we don't like the option it gave us, or write our own. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that first one, enhancing education, and click generate outline. What we have here is two different outlines that we can choose from. You can just pick your favorite, and you can also edit the various points in the outline or reorder them, and you can dial this in exactly how you want it to be. And once you're ready, you click generate essay. As you can see at the top left here, it now says essay writer. That's the writer tool that we saw at the beginning. It took us straight into the writer tool. And here's the undetectable results. It passes as human written on all of these detectors now. And here's the essay. The writer looks a lot like Google Docs. It's very simple, clean. The only main difference is it has the sidebar here where you can reference research papers. So you can type in something and what it will do is it will search the 200 million papers it has in its system, and you can use them in your paper. You can easily cite them. You just click cite and see it adds a reference here at the bottom. You can also select different citation formats and change them very easily. So that's really cool. You can also highlight something in the paper here and you can cite it, right? If there was data in this sentence, you could cite it, or you can highlight something and you can ask AI to do various things to it. So you can make it longer and it will take the sentence and write a long paragraph. So you can easily make your papers much longer, right? On the other side, we have Scholar Chat. And this is that third tool we talked about at the beginning, but it's built in. And so right here, you can actually chat with the 200 million research papers that you were searching through here. So you can ask it, any studies on the benefits of AI for education? Let's see how long it takes. It's not very long. Okay. It gives us some studies to work with. You can click on those and it takes you over to the actual study. Super cool. Now, when you're done, all you have to do is you can share it in the HIX tool if you like, or you can download it as a Microsoft Word or PDF file. You can copy the text. Also, I pasted it into Originality.ai to see if it could detect AI generation in the essay. So I let it run for a second and then we'll see what score it gets. We got a 98% original. That's pretty good. I also stuck it into Winston.ai and we let it run for a second, and Winston's a little bit tougher, but you can see we got a 71%. And if you wanted to score higher, you could just have it rewrite the essay again. It's also very easy to create a new document. Just click add new, and you can also upload files very easily. You could even, if you wanted to, you could just start in the writer tool. So like, let's say we're back here. We can skip the generator part and go right to the writer, just like a Google Doc. And you can write your own paper. And you can also hit the little double slash there and create outlines for lab reports, literature reviews. You don't even have to start writing the essay. You can just generate anything, right? Super nice. And then you can just work with it like a Google Doc, but with AI. And of course, we already went over this, but there's several more features. Or you can just ask it anything like, write this in the style of Hemingway, right? And it'll pop that in here. There's a few other tools in the dashboard. And as you can see, there's lots of options here. If you had an essay, you could use the essay rewriter tool to quickly rewrite, or you could extend your essay. You just plug it in here and it'll pop out over here. You can even just use the Scholar chat and it'll take you to like a chat GPT style interface here where you can chat with anything. Yeah, I think this is awesome, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much everything going on inside EssayGPT. I think it's awesome. All right, I hope that was interesting. If this video helped you out, please drop a like or hit subscribe so that I can keep making videos like this one. If you want to try out EssayGPT, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get 20% off, or you can use this code right here when you sign up. If you want to discover more tools like this one, you can sign up for my free weekly newsletter called Stacks. There's a link in the description. Every week we send out best new tools to your inbox. And if you want to watch another video, you should totally watch these. I promise you'll learn something.